In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Photopea server error using 5 practical troubleshooting methods. This error can appear when Photopea cannot properly connect to its backend services, when a browser extension blocks important scripts, or when corrupted cookies and cached files interfere with the editor. Before trying anything else, it's important to protect your work so you don't lose your progress. If this guide helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful software tutorials. Let's get started. First, save your Photopea project locally. If your file is currently open, go to the File menu in the top left corner and select Save as PSD. Photopea will download the project to your computer as a PSD file. Choose a location you can easily find, such as your Downloads folder or your desktop, and make sure the download finishes before continuing. This step is extremely important because troubleshooting can sometimes require refreshing the page, closing the browser, or reopening the project. Saving a local PSD gives you a backup and allows you to restore your work if anything goes wrong. Once your project is safely saved, test Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open an incognito window in Chrome or another supported browser. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. You can also open the browser menu and choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window. In the private window, visit photopea.com and try opening the editor or loading your project again. If Photopea works correctly in the private window, the problem may be caused by a browser extension, stored login data, or cached website information in your normal browser session. Incognito mode usually disables many extensions by default, which makes this a useful diagnostic test. If the same server error appears in private browsing, continue with the next steps. The third solution is to temporarily disable ad blockers and privacy extensions for Photopea. Extensions such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or strict tracking protection tools can sometimes block scripts that Photopea needs to connect to its backend services. Look near the right side of your browser's address bar for the extensions menu or the ad blocking icon. Open the extension settings, pause the blocker, or add Photopea as an allowed website. If you see an option such as Allow ads on this site, Trust this site, or Disable on Photopea, select it and then refresh the page. After refreshing, check whether the server error has disappeared. If Photopea now loads normally, the extension was likely preventing one of the editor's required scripts or network requests from working. You can keep the extension enabled on other websites and only allow Photopea when you need to use the editor. If disabling the extensions does not fix the issue, turn them back on and move to the next method. The fourth solution is to clear Photopea's cookies and cached site data. Sometimes outdated or corrupted browser data can cause Photopea to load incorrectly or repeatedly display a server error. To remove the stored data specifically for Photopea, open the website and click the lock icon or site information icon next to the address bar. Look for options such as cookies and site data, site settings, or clear data. Remove the stored data for Photopea, then close the settings window and reload the page. If your browser does not provide a site-specific option, open the browser's private or history settings and clear cached images, files, cookies, and other site data. You may need to sign in again after doing this, so make sure you know which account or login method you use. After clearing the data, completely restart the browser, reopen photopea.com, and test the editor again. If you previously saved your project as a PSD, you can use File, Open, and select the downloaded file to continue working. The fifth solution is to try Photopea in a different browser. This helps determine whether the error is related to your current browser configuration. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test Photopea in Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Brave. Open the alternative browser, go to photopea.com and try loading the editor. You can also test your saved PAD file by selecting File, Open, and choosing the local project from your computer. If Photopea works in another browser, the server itself may not be the problem. The issue is more likely connected to your original browser's extensions, cache, cookies, privacy settings, or browser profile. In that case, update the affected browser, review its extensions, and repeat the cache clearing process. If Photopea fails in every browser, the problem may be temporary, network-related, or caused by a service outage. You can wait a few minutes, restart your internet connection, or test another network, such as a mobile hotspot. To recap, first save your project locally as a PD, then test Photopea in an incognito window, disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, clear Photopea's cookies and cache, and finally, try a different browser. These steps help identify whether the server error is caused by your browser, an extension, stored website data, or a temporary connection problem. And that's how to troubleshoot the Photopea server error without risking your project. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who uses Photopea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.